Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can allow or not allow posting via email in your groups on Google Groups. For instance, if you'd like to allow your group members to reply to messages via email instead of direct messaging. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your account on Google Groups, navigate to My Groups and select the group you're an admin of, because you will need to have access to the admin settings. So click into the given group. And then guys, in your group, what you want to do is navigate to the group settings to the left, click into general, and here scroll down, and under the posting policies here, you will see allow email posting, right? And that means that, for example, just as I said, they will be given the opportunity to reply, for example, through their email provider, like, I don't know, Gmail and so on and so forth, to messages they've been sent within the group. If you unselect this option, they will need to head over to the given group on Google Groups through the web application, like here, and reply to the given message here, for example, right, within the user interface. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.